You can only see my room is just full of stuff. Go to my notes, if I can find my notes. Let's talk about why I think that the Mavic Air is a must-buy drone, especially if you're in the market of getting a new one and you don't have one, or if you held off on the, what was that little toy one called? The Spark? Yeah, that thing, I had no interest whatsoever in getting that because it was only 1080p. I just didn't think that the video quality was gonna be that great. I use a drone for wedding films and other kind of various projects, so I want a good picture. I had the Phantom 4. Like, there's a part of me that said I probably should have kept that one or just not worried about getting the Mavic Pro, but the thing that I love about the Mavic Pro is its size. It's so portable. As a matter of fact, like, I got it right behind me. I did kind of plan that out. But, I mean, look at this pack. It's very small, it's very minimal, it can fit inside of a backpack. I went to California, I went to Santa Barbara and LA. I brought my Phantom 4 with me and I was excited about having a drone with me to get some of that awesome footage that you could get on the California coast. But my gosh, I had to check baggage in order to do that. I don't like to check baggage, especially when it's just like a 2 or 3 day trip. Like, I don't need that much luggage for that amount of time. So I still had to bring that. Like, I put the big old case. I mean, I can't even find something in here that's that big. But it is so big. It's about the size of a backpack. But anyways, it just wasn't my ideal setup. But then I was like, man, when I get home, I'm ordering the Mavic Pro. I'm going to sell the Phantom 4. And I know it's going to be a downgrade in video quality as far as the image goes. But it wasn't like a huge difference. It was still very good footage that you can get with the Mavic Pro. This is the Fly More combo pack. I've got 3 batteries. I've got extra props. Got the controller, the drone, and everything inside of here. I even pack, well, I normally have it on the side here. I've got some ND filters that I normally have on the side here as well. And I can have all of that in this small bag. I mean, look. I got 1 battery here. I got the controller in there. And then the Mavic Pro, which I also want to show you. This is going to be a very just candid video. I'm not trying to make this thing look super pretty or nothing, but this is a SLICKWRAPS wrap that's around this drone. It's pretty cool. I like it because it just keeps it nice and pristine looking. I mean, the blades are pretty much going to be the only thing that you're going to see that's going to get wear and tear on it, with a little bit on the landing pad kind of stuff. Look how small this guy is, but this is very portable, and I use it all the time. Like I said, I use it for wedding films and other kind of projects that I have for a side business that I got. I can have this with me at all times. I can just have it in my car if I want to. And like I said, if I had this on that California trip, I would not have had to check my baggage. So that would have been a really nice plus. And now they got that Air. And the things I want to go over of why it is a must buy is for a few reasons. Let me get this all put away first. Just gonna put it to the side, get my notes again. And here we go. I'm gonna check, make sure I'm still recording. Still recording good. I gotta get myself an external monitor. I got some notes, and I'm gonna give credit to Matt Johnson, who is Matt. And he's got a really nice outline here. So I'm gonna leave a link to his post if you want to see everything in detail. But I want to highlight why I think that it's a must buy, especially if you skipped out on the Spark and you're looking for better video quality than what you get with the Mavic Pro, but you don't want to go to the size of a Phantom 4. That pretty much lays out the reasons why. But like some more specifics is, one, you can get 2.7K footage at 60 frames per second. So it's really good quality that you can slow down if you want to. So if you want some slow-mo drone footage, that's a great way to go. Now, if you go up to 4K, you get 30 frames per second. So you're not gonna be able to really slow that down much at all. But 1080p gets 120 frames per second. That's fantastic, that's phenomenal. And you're getting that in such a small package. The lens f-stop on the Air is f2.8. The Pro has 2.2. So you're still gonna get decent low light capabilities. So you're not sacrificing too much. But again, like the size and portability, and then that 2.7K with 60 frames per second footage that you can really manipulate and make it into like what you're wanting to get the results out of from. Probably the best thing about the 4K footage that you're going to get with this, and this goes into why it's going to be a sharper, clearer, just nicer image, is that you get 100 megabytes per second. Now, with all that said, like I've watched a few videos today on the Mavic Air just to try to see some comparison. Like, should I get this? Should I sell the Mavic Pro and get this Mavic Air? Is it gonna be worth it and all that kind of stuff? For one, it starts at $800. Now you can get the Fly More package, that's gonna be a few hundred more bucks. It's not as expensive as the Mavic Pro at the current state. You could probably buy this for $1,000 just the drone itself, the Fly More combo, add a couple $100 more, but that price should be going down. So if you are interested in the Mavic Pro, just wait off and hold off for a few minutes and you should be able to get a better price. You also get forward, downward, and backwards obstacle avoidance. So that's really good. I remember with the Phantom 4, you did not get that backward obstacle avoidance. So you definitely had to keep an eye on things if you're flying backwards. I watched a few YouTube videos to see some comparisons, and actually Casey Neistat's was my favorite one that I saw. Out of the footage that I viewed from his stuff, you could see just this nice clear image. Just that footage alone, I'm like, I really like this drone. It's a great drone. But I think I will have a better experience with the video footage and the quality with the Air. Should I do a comparison once it comes in? Because I'm definitely going to order this thing, I think as soon as I get done editing this video, or maybe I might multitask and go ahead and get it. But I think it's going to be a fantastic buy. It's probably going to be one of the best drones you can get this year just because of the size factor, the upgraded camera, and it doesn't cost as much as what this guy cost. DJI is doing awesome. I mean, there's no reason to get that Spark anymore at all. I would definitely consider getting the Air over the Mavic Pro, just depending on what kind of deals you can find. Now, I'm going to be selling this one. I'm not sure how much it's going to go for. Probably going to list it on eBay. Maybe put it up on Twitter or something like that. See if anybody wants to get it. Fly More combo with this ND filters. Really good condition. You got a SLICKWRAPS wrap on it. And we'll see how that goes. Let me know if you want to buy it. I'll be happy to work out a deal with you. Thanks for watching this video. It was just something I wanted to put together because I'm excited about it. I love using drone footage for my videos. You don't see too much of it with my tech review kind of stuff, but I definitely use this drone a lot. Can't wait to get that Air. All right, guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit me up on the social networks, and I'll catch you guys later. This video turned out to be longer than I wanted it to, so at the current moment, I'm going to cut it off at 12 minutes of recording time. I'm curious to see how much cutting I can do to get it down to just a few minutes.